Hello everyone, and welcome to the Gbyte channel. Have you ever found yourself wanting to reset an iPhone XR that has been sitting idle for a long time, only to realize you've forgotten the passcode? After too many failed attempts, the screen simply displays iPhone unavailable. Don't worry, today I'll show you 3 simple ways to easily reset your iPhone XR, even if you've completely forgotten the passcode. Method 1. Factory reset using Gbyte. The first method uses Gbyte, a tool specifically designed for unlocking iPhones and iPads. It allows you to easily unlock and reset your iPhone. This is the most direct and straightforward method if your phone is disabled or you've completely forgotten the passcode. First, connect your iPhone and put it into recovery mode. Press and release the volume up button, then the volume down button, and finally press and hold the power button until the Connect to iTunes or computer icon appears on the screen. Open Gbyte and click the blue Start button. Download the firmware as prompted by the software. Wait patiently. Once the download is complete, click Start Remove. The software will begin restoring your iPhone to factory settings. The entire process takes less than 10 minutes and requires no complex steps. That's it. Once the reset is complete, your iPhone XR will restart. Simply follow the initial setup steps to access your phone. Resetting your iPhone with Gbyte is incredibly convenient. It requires no Apple ID or passcode and can be done with a single click. Method 2. Factory reset using iTunes. The second method uses Apple's official tool, iTunes, so you can use it with confidence. First, connect your iPhone XR to your computer and put it into recovery mode, just as you did with Gbyte. Then, open iTunes. A pop-up window will appear. Select Restore in the window to reset the iPhone without updating the system version. Next, follow the on-screen prompts to download the appropriate firmware and proceed with the process to restore factory settings. Method 3. Factory reset using iCloud. The third method involves using iCloud to restore factory settings. This is suitable for users who have forgotten their passcode but have Find My iPhone enabled. First, open the official iCloud website in your browser and enter your Apple ID and password. Then, select the device you wish to reset from the list of devices. Click Erase this device. Enter your Apple ID again to verify your identity. Then follow the prompts to restore your iPhone to factory settings. Please note, however, that this method requires your iPhone to be connected to the internet and signed in with your Apple ID. Those are 3 ways to restore your iPhone to factory settings if you've forgotten your passcode. Regardless of the method you choose, I recommend backing up important data beforehand to avoid data loss. That's all for now. Have you mastered the 3 methods introduced today? If you find Gbyte the most convenient to use, remember to click the link below to download it. If you have any other questions about your iPhone, feel free to leave a comment. See you next time.